Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to buy food on Farmer's World, because I know this is one of our problems in playing this game, especially if you do not have any fishing rod. So don't worry, because without fishing rod, even without fishing rod, you can still have food, guys, in this game. Okay, so first you need to go to Play and Earn, of course, and then log into your account. And as you can see, this is our account, main account. And here at the bottom, you will see this exchange. Okay, so what you're going to do, you can just convert your wood into food. So how? I will show you. Okay, let's say I will convert 6 woods into FWF na token. Okay, this is a token. So withdraw and then just wait for the transaction to be successful. Okay, transaction completed successfully. So this time, let's go to our Alcor Exchange account. Here in Alcor Exchange, guys, what you need to do is you just have to connect your Wax wallet, okay? And once you're connected, okay, so this is what you will see here. So we converted already FWW, right, a while ago. So this time, we will swap FWW with Wax. Okay, so just click maximum and then you will get 16 worth of wax and then just click swap and wait for the transaction to be successful. Okay, there it is. So we have now wax. Now this time we will convert wax into FWF. Okay, FWF or meaning Farmer's World Food. Okay, so let's just click max and then swap. So you will get 9.7 food. It's a success, guys. So let's go back to our Farmer's World account. Okay, and then you just have to click here in the deposit. Okay, you will see here that we have already FWF. So what you're going to do, you will deposit your FWF token, okay, in exchange for food in the game. Yeah. So you will receive 10.53 food and then deposit. Okay, it is successful. So we have now, guys, additional food. So from 87, we now have 97 worth of food. Now we can convert this food into energy. Just click this plus here. And then let's say we will need 150 energies. So that is worth 30 food, guys. So just click exchange. And there you have it. We have now 900 energies. Okay, so that's how simple it is, guys, to buy food for you to keep on playing on Farmer's World. And I hope this tutorial has helped you in answering your question about the food or energy in Farmer's World NFT game. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have more updates on Farmer's World. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye!